Okay, so we'll see what does it mean by the package and why we are using it, but before that we'll see where it will store. Okay, so just come here, and here you see, here we have a crxd, and inside this crxd, here we have options of the package manager. You can just simply click here and just open it. This is the first way to open the package manager. That means now we have opened the package manager GUI. This is nothing but our package manager, and here we have a 4 things. Okay, inside this GUI we have a 4 things. So here you see at the left toggle panel, first of all, here we have a toolbar. This one is the package list, and here we have a activity log. Okay, so inside this, if you want to sort these packages, okay, then you can just simply click here, sort by the name. Then it will sort by the names. Okay, so which one you have installed last, so this one will see here at the first. Here we have a list of packages, that means in which package is in install state. That means this is nothing but the install state. That means your package is ready to install now. Here, okay, it has installed successfully. Here you see, here it has installed successfully, but sometimes here that name will show install. That means your package isn't installed it, you have to install it. Okay, this is the first thing. Yeah, so here we have option to open the package manager. Another thing, you can just simply go here like localhost 4.02. Later that, here you have to simply search crx, and here we have to search package manager MGR and hit enter. Now here you see, again you are opening the package manager. Third thing we have, you can just simply go here. Here we have inside this tool we have a deployment, and here we have options of the package. You can just simply click here and open the package. Okay, this is the thing that is done now. Okay, so now I'm just opening the package manager. You can just open like this, crx pack mgr, hit enter. Now you will get the package manager. Okay, this is the thing. But what does it mean by the package? Why we have created this package manager platform? Okay, we have created this platform only for the package, no? So we have to see the package first. So it's just simple zip file that is holding your repository content in a file system. Now I'll show you, like here when you are trying to open this one. Okay, so here we have to build it, but inside this we have a lot of content related to this content module. Okay, so where it has stored inside this. Okay, this is the thing that is stored inside this demo UI content. Okay, yeah, so and this is the data that is storing in the form of this repository. Now when you are coming here, so this is the content. This content is coming in the form of this repository. Here you see, in this format this data is stored, and it is showing in the form of properties. But where this actual data is stored? This actual data is stored inside this package. So this is the thing. After that we have it has providing an easy to use and easy to edit representation of your files and the folders. So when it has downloaded inside this, so here you see it has opening like a files and folder format. Then you can easily see this. You can easily see these properties and the data, whatever the content it has present, you can easily see it. Okay, later that it has saying, so here we have options of the content. When you are coming here, here you see content included in the package is defined by the filter. So when we are trying to create the package, inside that we have one concept, that is filter. Okay, so once you create, first of all when you create the package, it hasn't anything, but if you want to add the information, you have to add the information inside this filter. So this is the thing it has saying, like if you want to add the content, you want to include the content in the package, for that we have one concept, that is filter. Okay, so if I'll just try to come here, okay, just try to open the package. Here I have opened the package and try to edit this one. This is the package that we have, just try to edit, and here we have options of the filter. You can just simply click here, and here you see, here we have a more than one filters. Here we have a more than one filter. So you can just simply open like this. So when if I'll try to edit it, so here you see it as saying these things. Okay, so for this is the filter, and they have written this information. So okay, so we'll see this. Now this thing is done. Now we'll see the next one. Okay, and here we have a last one, that is package representation. Okay, so if consider now you have a old version and the new version. Okay, new version, so it will always pick up this new version. These types of functionality it has present inside our package. Okay, so who will provide? Package manager. Okay, so package manager one platform is there. So consider you have the old version and the new version, the same content it has present in these two packages, but it will always pick up this new one, new functionality one. Okay, so this is the thing it has saying. Okay, so now that is okay, but why we are using this package manager? Okay, so if you want to import and export your repository content, then we have one option, that is package manager. You can easily import and export your data. Done. Now here we have a three options that we have already seen. So if you want to open your package manager, then you can just simply go inside the tools, deployment, and the package. Second one, you can just simply go inside the CRXD, and there we have options of the package manager. One box is there, you can just click there. Otherwise you can directly type the path. Okay, this is the thing. Now you can just come here, and now I'll show you how we can create the package. First of all, I'll see you how we can create the package. So now I'm just simply going here. We have options of the create. You can just click here and name your package. So now I'm just giving anything, like here I'm giving a demo example that I'm given, and you can just simply type the version. Okay, make sure that version is important, that whenever you are creating a package, that time we are giving the versions. Okay, and maybe, and this version is supported to your 6.5 or your AEM current version or not. So for that we just have to write the versions here, that is 1.0. Now you can just simply type OK. Here we have options of the group as well. Here you see this is the group. So here we have a lot of group that are already present. What does it mean by this group? If you want to organize your package, okay, in a traditional manner or inside some groups, then you can simply use this group. So if you want to create your own, then you can just remove and just name it your own. Okay, otherwise you can let it be that default one. You just simply remove it and just try to click create again. So here this is the default one. So when you are creating the package, so this package will store inside this group. Now we'll see. Now I'm just creating demo example here, that is 1.0, and yet you can just simply type OK. Okay, so we have created the package, but we don't have any content till now. Okay, and it has in build state. That means it here inside this we don't have any data. Okay, so for adding the data, you just have to click inside this edit. But we know that where this package has stored inside our my package. Okay, so how we can see? For that you have to just go inside the miscadmin localhost 4502 miscadmin. Okay, so we have opened this one, and here we have the packages concepts. Here we have the concept of packages. So you can just simply go there and just try to refresh it. Okay, so here we have a my package, and inside this we have created this demo example. So it has created the package. Package is nothing but the zip file. We already knows that. So here you see this package is created in the form of zip. Okay, it has given the version that is 1.0. Okay, so this is the version that it has given, that is 1.0. Okay, now yeah. Okay, but we haven't any content. So for adding the content, we just have to go inside this and just edit it. Okay, you just go inside this and just edit the data. Okay, and here I am just giving the path. Now we have to go inside the filter first, and you can just simply add the path. So which one is our project? Just go inside that project. So we know that I think demo 1 is our project. Okay, so you can just simply go inside this demo 1, and now what I'm doing is, my plan is like go inside the demo 1. Okay, where one, which one? Yeah, this one is our demo 1. Okay, no, after that here we have a components, and here we have a hello world. Okay, so whatever it has present inside this hello world, I am just removing everything, delete it, save the changes. Okay, so done. Now here we have a hello world, and after that here we have a CQ dialog. Okay, this is the CQ dialog that we have. Okay, and inside this CQ dialog I don't have any nodes. Okay, and I'm just adding this node by using the package. Okay, so where you want to add inside this CQ dialog. So we have to give the path of this hello world. We have to give this path of this hello world, then it will add inside this hello world. Okay, it will add the package, whatever the package you are giving it, whatever the information, it will add inside this hello world. Okay, so you just have to give this path. Okay, so just go there, and where we will give inside the filters. Okay, so this is the demo 1 component, and here we have a hello world component, maybe stored somewhere where we have a hello world. Yeah, this one, but see somewhere else. Yeah, so this is the thing we have. You can just simply open it. Here we have a hello words. Okay, so you can just simply select this and just try OK and save it. Okay, save it and just try to build it now. Build. Okay, so it has building. Now this option is open, like install and the download. Okay, this is the edit, build, install and download we have. So when you build, so it has built. Okay, so whatever you have added, it has built now, it has deployed. Okay, so now you can just download it. Why? Because of we don't have anything inside this package. We have only setup. What we have set up, we have given only the path. So whatever the data that you are adding, so this data will go inside this filter. Okay, and this filter you can add more than one. There is not an issue, you can just add more than one. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so now I'm just simply downloading and I'm just adding some content inside this data. Okay, so here I'm just simply downloading. You can just download inside this. Okay, so here I'm just downloading inside this desktop. Okay, so I have downloaded. Now just go on the internet, like I'm just searching AEM Geeks GitHub. Okay, we have to go inside the apps. Here we don't have much more data, so we'll see the different ones. Okay, so inside this we have a lot of data. Okay, so this data I just want inside my CQ dialog. So for that I'm just simply copying this. Just copy this data. This is the data, we'll just have to copy it, and whatever we have downloaded, so where we have downloaded, you just simply go inside this. Okay, so here I'm just simply opening the file explorer, and here we have a desktop, and inside this desktop we have downloaded this hello world demo. Okay, so you can just simply go inside this demo example. Okay, I have opened the demo example package. You can just go inside this components hello world, and inside this CQ dialog you want this all the code, so you can just simply go inside your XML. See, again I'm just explaining. Consider now this one is our package, and inside this package which filter we have added, this thing only it's showing here. See, inside this component we have added the hello world, so that's why whatever the information it has present inside the hello world component, all this information it has showing. And where we want to add the data, we want to add the information inside our CQ dialog. So for the CQ dialog they have created one file that is content.xml. so whatever in your mind, you just go inside this and add your data. So instead of I'm just removing all the stuff and whatever we have copied. Okay, so the thing is we have copied now. Okay, come here and now try to copy. Okay, so it has taken some time. Till now we can copy manually. Okay, so I have copied. You can just come here and instead of that you have to paste this one. So now the thing is I have pasted all the changes now. Okay, you can just remove this now. Okay, say yes. Okay, come here inside this and just try to refresh it now. When you have refreshed, go inside this, when inside our package manager. So this one is our package manager, I think. Okay, I have came here and now the thing is here this one is our old package, we already knows that, and our new is this. Inside this we have added the information. So now these things I want inside this package. Okay, otherwise I just want this file where it has stored this one inside our file explorer in our local. We want to add inside our server. So for that we just have to upload it. You just upload, and which one is our, it has present inside our desktop. So you can just simply browse it. Okay, here we have one option that is force upload. What does it mean? If the package consider with the same name, if some package is available and whatever the information inside in this package you want to add there, then you can just simply force upload it. So it will override. What does it will? So whatever the information you have right now inside this current package, it will override in this package. So you can just simply click OK and just upload it. Okay, we have uploaded. Now just try to build. Okay, we have built it. Again we have to build once. Install it. Okay, sorry, we have to install it. Now once we install, let's try to build now. The information is not coming, I think. Yeah, it has came. Okay, so we'll go there and we'll just try to see. Let's go inside our CRXD. Try to refresh it, this one. Okay, refresh it and go inside this. Okay, we don't have anything, right? Okay, so we don't have anything now. Inside our demo one, here we have a, okay, so we just have to go inside our pack manager. Okay, go there, edit and go inside the field type and see what mistake we have done it. Again just browse it, and inside this demo one we have a components, and inside the components we have a hello world. Okay, this is the hello world we have. CQ dialog we have as well. Done. Save it, rebuild. Yeah, information hasn't came. Okay, so again we just have to edit filter, and this time just try to remove this. Done. Just try to save it. Okay, rebuild and just try to reinstall it. Okay, so information, I think. Okay, we'll see different one. Just again we have to go there and we have to check it, whatever we have added, that content has saved or not. Apps demo 1 components hello world content.xml. No, sorry, here we don't want to add anything. Inside the secret dialog, we have added there. We just have to go inside the components hello world, and for the hello world we also have the secret dialog. Shit. For the hello world we have a content.xml. Okay, so how we can delete the package? For deleting the package, here we have options more. You can just simply go inside this and just delete it. Okay, refresh it once. Okay, and another thing is, just try to open the package manager. You have already opened it, and I'm just uploading first. Just come here and upload this package. Force upload and just click OK. Okay, so we have uploaded. Now we just have to install it. Okay, so now here you see, when you will see these types of content, that means consider your package has uploaded successfully. See, this is the information that it has added inside our hello world. Okay, so just do one thing, just try to go there and refresh it. Now where we have a hello world, so this one is our hello world. Before that, here we don't have any content name. Okay, inside this secret dialog we don't have anything, but right now see, it has all this information, it has coming. So this is the code that we have already copied, we have pasted there, and we have imported inside our CRXD, inside our package. So that's why this is the information it has coming. This is the thing. Another thing is there, here we have a lot of options. So when you are trying to edit, so here we have a filters. Filters we already knows that. Okay, but instead of filters, here we have a thumbnail as well. So this is the by default thumbnail. If you want to see, here we have a by default thumbnail. Okay, so if you want to change, you can just simply browse it and you can change whatever you want. You can just take it. So I think this one is the different name, it won't come. We'll just try it. Okay, so it won't come. This is the different, I think this is the web extension, so that's why it hasn't coming, but let it be. This one is the default, and if you want to change it, then you can just download according to this and use it. Okay, here we have a dependency. Here we have options of the dependency. Like consider this is the package. Now you have installed one package, you have deployed inside our CRXD. Now you want to test this package with some suitable versions of the AEM. Then how we can search? So they have already give the option that is tested with. Okay, so like consider now you have a AEM version, and inside this AEM version 6.5 consider you have. So this package will suit or not? This package is compatible with the 6.5 or not? So for that, if you want to check it, then you can just simply write 6.5 here, 6.5.0 as well. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want to check your package with the version, then you can just simply write. Okay, later that here we have a fixed issue. So if consider like you are thinking like inside your package you have issues, inside your package you have a lot of issues. Okay, then you can just line one by one. Okay, so one line is for the one bugs, one issue. Okay, so you can just write here. Okay, this is the thing. And after that, depend on that means if your package is depending on the another package, then these are the package you have to mention here. Like first of all we have to write the group ID, name, and later that the version. Okay, so this is the high cases there is no need to write the depending and all the stuff, but it's just for the information we have to write here. Like first of all we have to write the group ID, later that we have to write the name and the version if your package is depending on the another. So this package will install first and later that it will act accordingly. Okay, this is the thing. After that, replace. Replace, that means consider you have a 2 or 3 packages it has already installed in your AEM. Okay, and this is the package, this is the fourth one package you have trying to install it. Okay, and this 3 package is deprecated. Okay, these 3 packages has deprecated, then you can just simply mention here. Okay, these 3 packages you can just simply mention inside this. Okay, so this package will deprecate and this package will act like this. Okay, no, this is the thing. After that, here we have a advanced. So inside this advanced, you what's your company name, you can just simply write here. After that, what's the name of your company, what is the URL of your company, you can just simply write here. And later that, here we have a link. Later that you have a link, and what does it mean by the link? So if you want to open some page, when they are clicking here, then you can just simply write these types of link. Okay, no. After that, here we have a required, here we have a admin, and here we have a restart. So I'm not just selecting anyone, so when I'm selecting and this package is installed in some other machine, so they need the admin privileges. So when I'm clicking here and this package will install somewhere, that time they need a admin privileges. So for that I'm not just selecting. So when you are passing these types of information, then you can just simply this admin. After here we have a restart. So whenever this package is imported or the install in some other computer or the machine, then this computer or the AEM needs to be restart, then you can just simply click here. Okay, and after that, this one is related to a permission, that ACS handling, that means it is related to a permissions. So if you want to when it has imported, so if you want to ignore this package, then you can just simply select here ignore. So here we have a lot of options. So this is just considered, this one is only for the security purpose. Okay, and here we have a screenshot. So if you want to simply want to represent your package within the image, if you want to represent your package with the image, then you can just simply attach the screenshot here. Okay, so you can just simply browse it and attach simply. So right now I'm just this package is related to a code, so I'm just simply adding here code and just simply save it. So now what it will happen, you just have to rebuild it once. Okay, so now they will directly go inside this edit and they will see what is the screenshot. So okay, what is the screenshot? Okay, but it hasn't appearing, like we have this image, so that's why I think this is the web image, so that's why it's not showing here. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. If you are having any issue, just ping me on chat, we'll connect and we'll solve it. Thank you, guys.